Now I have pleasure in inviting Rotarian J. Raghavendra Rao, Assistant Governor, Administration City, for introduction of our beloved DGE ISAK Nasser.
Good morning and vanakkam to one and all present here. Strength does not come from physical activity. It comes from an indomitable will. I quote these words of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi to introduce our District Governor-elect Rotarian ISAK Nasser. He is a man of tremendous determination and will. Rotarian Nasser had his humble beginnings at Tirunelveli. His leadership qualities as early in his student life made him to serve as school pupil leader and also as chairman of college union, making an indelible mark. He exhibited his ardent patriotism by becoming a senior under officer for NCC at college for 2 years, and he was one among the top under officers selected on a national level for defense leadership program at Madras Regimental Center. Rotarian Nasser is a science graduate with post-graduation in marketing management. He established a food products company under the brand Manna. Brand Manna is high visibility all over India and in few other parts of the world. His company is an ISO 22000 and HACCP certified with huge network base. It is also a recognized export house. Most men can handle adversity, but if you want to see the real character of a man, give him power, said US President late Abraham Lincoln. Rotarian Nasser is a testimony to this quote. Proving this quote to be true, Rotarian Nasser channelized the strength of his power to service. He joined the Rotary movement in the year 1994. He got himself trained under the tutelage of past District Governor Dr. C.S. Ramachandran. He bagged the President of the Year award during his presidential year 1988-99 for himself and the most coveted Rotary All-Round Golden Trophy Award for his club. He served the Rotary district with great distinction, holding several important positions like Governor's Group Representative, Associate Chairman for Rotary Centennial Celebration, Membership Development Chairman for 3 years, District Chair for Community Service for 2 Rotary years, Assistant Governor Administration and District Advisor. Rotarian Nasser is the architect of Rotary Overseas Program in our district and has led delegations to Sri Lanka, Singapore and Malaysia. His willingness to serve for Rotary with precision, passion and results were very well recognized at the Rotary International level in the form of his appointment as Rotary International Zone Coordinator for New Generation Task Force Asia Zone 6 for the Rotary year 2001 and 2002. As District Chairman for Membership Development and Extension for the Rotary years 2007 to 2009, he took our District 3230 to the topmost position in the Rotary world amongst 529 districts at that time. His planning and programming abilities made our esteemed RI Director Rotarian P.T. Prabhakar to appoint him as Registration Committee Chair for the recently held Rotary Institute, Sail to Serve. Rotarian Nasser sailed off well with a colorful registration. Our RI President Ron Burton and RI Director P.T. Prabhakar's appointment of Rotarian Nasser as chairperson for New Generation Rotary International Presidential Conference has brought glory and also created Guinness records. Rotarian Nasser is the recipient of Rotary Ratna Award, Excellent Rotarian of the District Award, Most Valuable Rotarian of the District Award, Most Distinguished Rotarian of the District Award. These are some of the awards that got decorated on him. Rotarian Nasser is a major donor to Rotary Foundation and all his family members are Paul Harris Fellows. Friends, I have many more such information and statistics to be shared about Rotarian Nasser. However, in my humble view, each one of you will appreciate Rotarian Nasser when you interact with him at an individual level. I am very sure all of you will agree with me about his stupendous qualities that generate positive energy, which has a multiplier effect. Behind success of every man, there is a woman. True to this saying, in Rotarian Nasser's life, it is an Afzal Unnisa. Added to this are the two apple carts of his eyes, in the form of his two loving daughters. With this brief, I have the pleasure of presenting District Governor-elect Rotarian Nasser to this wonderful gathering. Thank you.
Before I start my address, as District Governor-elect to my lighting precedence today, I wish to invoke the blessings of Almighty and my mentor, Dr. CSR, who passed exactly 11 months earlier, and with his blessings, I wish to start the address in these pets. Pets leader, past President Gnanavelan and Secretary Saravana Kumar, pride of South Asian Rotary, and a leader par excellence. Chief guest of this seminar, past Rotary International President Kalyanda, one of the most vibrating leaders of Indian Rotary today, and a man of great conviction and commitment. Pride of Rotary District 3230, Rotary International Director P.T. Prabhakar, most dynamic, most lovable, and most inspiring leader of our district, District Governor, my brother in Rotary, A.P. Kanna, Rotary Coordinator, past Governor Ullas, District Chief Advisor, my mentor in Rotary, past District Governor Ramakrishna Raja, Trainer for 2014-15, past Governor Sampath Kumar, District Chief Advisor, my brother in Rotary, past Governor Olivandan, District Governor nominee, the worthy successor, C.R. Raju, District Governor nominee designate, Natarajan Nagoji, District Secretary designate, past President Chandramohan, one of my great friends and well-wishers in this district, the man who has made this Light Up Rotary video today, AVM Balasubramaniam, my dear lighting presidents and spouses, assistant governors, district officers, ladies in Rotary, Vanakkam. பொதுவாக வந்து நம்ம கவர்னர் கண்ணா சொன்ன மாதிரி 15 வருஷம் இல்லைனாலும் அட்லீஸ்ட் ஒரு 9-10 இயர்ஸாக வந்து ஐ பீன் டேக்கிங் பார்ட் இன் கண்டக்டிங் சச் ட்ரைனிங் ப்ரோக்ராம்ஸ் பர்டிகுலர்லி பெட்ஸ் ஃபார் மெனி கவர்னர்ஸ். பட் அடுத்தவங்களுக்கு செய்கிறதுங்கிறது ஒன்று, நமக்குன்னு செய்யும்போது ஒன்று. I should compliment, congratulate all the lighting presidents. Out of 124 presidents, 119 presidents are here. Please give a very big applause for you. பொதுவாகவே வந்து இந்த இன்ட்ரடக்ஷன்ஸ்லாம் வந்து நம்மளே பண்ணி கொடுக்கறதா. யூ ஆல் நோ தட் ரோட்டியில் வந்து நம்மளே பயோடேட்டா பண்ணி கொடுத்து அவங்களே படிக்க சொல்கிறது தான் நம்மளுடைய பழக்கம். ஆனால் என்னுடைய ஃப்ரெண்டு Assistant Governor Administration Raghavendra Rao has done a very creative and an inspiring introduction. Thank you, Raghavendra Rao, for the words of gracious introduction. Friends, planning for the past one full year, unprecedented arrangements, unbelievable preparations, which have started from 3 special flights between Chennai and Goa yesterday, and 3 thematic dinners with the start of Vava Goa yesterday night, a budget close to 100 lakhs. I can't commend, congratulate and compliment enough for the excellent show put up by the PETS leader Gnanavelan. Please applaud him with a great round of applause. As our dynamic district governor A.P. Kanna in his address here mentioned, Rotary District 3230 is a role model district in Rotary world. That has come, this district has gone to that top position is not only because the clubs have been performing because this district has been led by people of distinctions. All the past district governors who led these districts for many years have been exemplarily performing and making this district 3230 to stand atop of Rotary world. I welcome you all to this President-elect training seminar named as Pailarangam. This Pailarangam name was coined in 2009-10 for the Rotary year 2010-11 when my friend Olivannan was the district governor-elect. We have named pets as Pailarangam, we have named sets at Sayalarangam, we have named the district assembly as Arivarangam. Pets na pets தான், அதுக்கு வேற பேர் வைக்க முடியாது. Sets na sets தான், அதுக்கு வேற பேர் வைக்க முடியாது. District assembly na district assembly தான், அதுக்கு நம்ம வேற பேர் வைக்க முடியாது. Because it's all set names. அப்படி வந்து நம்ம ஆங்கிலத்தில் கூப்பிடும்போது தமிழ்ல ஏன் தொடர்ந்து இந்த பேரை யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது அப்படிங்கிற சிந்தனையில தான் we have thought இந்த வருஷமும் நம்ம வந்து அத பயிலரங்கம், செயலரங்கம் and அறிவரங்கம்னு இந்த மூணையும் நம்ம பண்ணியிருக்கோம். Please give a good hand to our past governor Olivannan for coining these names and giving it to this district. There are two kinds of leaders. There are two kinds of leaders in the world. When we say leaders, தலைவர்கள் அப்படின்னா வந்து they need not be only the presidents and prime ministers and RI presidents and district governors. There are two kinds of leaders. One kind of leader, they come, adorn the position and go without a trace. There are other kind of leaders who not only adorn the position, but they also make a new path which was not laid before. They show a new direction for the many generations to come and benefit. They change the course of the whole situation so that the organization benefits largely when it grows. And we have with us such a great visionary leader of Rotary. Please put your hand together to welcome our visionary leader, past RI President Kalyan amidst us as chief guest today. We can't ask for a better ceremonial opening than the presence of such a visionary leader with us. The success of any program is not only by the effective faculty or effective preparation by people. The success actually remains with you, with the participants. How we participate, how we give importance for all the deliberations and the talks which are being given, how we come out, interact with such faculty and understand the nuances of leadership, the strides of leadership, how to lead our clubs when we go back and take the mantle of presidentship in our district 3230. As I told you, there are two kinds of leaders. There is the first kind of leader, come, adorn and go. There is no trace of his leadership after, it's remembered. There is other kind of leader. All the leaders sitting here in the first row have been of that kind, the second kind of leaders. They have made a mark in their leadership. They have left a legacy for others to, copy and follow. And you should be a creator. You should not be a copier of anything. And the lighting presidents 2014-15, I appeal to you to show utmost importance for the next 3-day deliberations. We have given lot of thought, lot of brainstorming informations for you to take home when you take as presidents of your respective clubs. Rotary International presidents, when they adorn the positions, they give a direction through the form of a Rotary theme. Our Rotary International president, Gary Huang, has also given us a theme. When Rotary International presidents, when they come from the different part of the globe. That's the beauty of this organization. We have RI presidents coming from India, we have RI presidents coming from South Asia, we have RI presidents coming from Africa, we had RI presidents coming from Europe and America and Canada and many other countries. The reason behind that each person, each RI president, when he adorns the leadership role, obviously it is expected that they will have the influence of that culture. உலகத்தின் எந்த பகுதியிலே இருந்து அவர்கள் வருகிறார்களோ, உலகத்தின் எந்த நாட்டிலே இருந்து அவர்கள் தேர்ந்தெடுக்கப்பட்டு வருகிறார்களோ, அவர்கள் பன்னாட்டு தலைவர்களாக வருகிற போது அந்த நாட்டினுடைய அவர்கள் எந்த வழியிலே வந்திருக்கிறார்களோ அதனுடைய இன்ஃப்ளூயன்ஸ் கொஞ்சம் இருக்கும். அந்த வச்சு தான் அவங்களுடைய தலைமையை அவங்க ப்ரூவ் பண்ணுவாங்க. அதனால தான் பல மீட்டிங்கில் நான் சொல்லியிருக்கேன், இந்தியாவிலிருந்து 3 RI பிரசிடென்ட்ஸ் போனாங்க. இந்த 3 RI பிரசிடென்ட்ஸோட தீமை பார்த்தாலும் ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கும். காரணம் என்னன்னா, இந்த இந்தியன் கல்ச்சர், த கல்ச்சர் வித் விச் தே ஹவ் brought themselves, அதை வச்சு தான் அவங்களுடைய அந்த RI பிரசிடென்ட்டுடைய இயரே ஓடும். அந்த மாதிரி அந்த கல்ச்சரல் இன்ஃப்ளூயன்ஸ் வில் பி தேர் இன் தட் RI தீம். அதனால தான் 1962-63ல நிதிஷ் லிகரி அவங்க RI பிரசிடென்ட்டா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் RI பிரசிடென்ட்டா போறார். அவரோட தீம் பாத்தீங்க, கிண்டல் த ஸ்பார்க் வித்தின். கொஞ்சம் அதை மனசுல வச்சுக்கோங்க. அதுக்கு அடுத்து ராஜேந்திர கே சாபு 1991-92ல போறார், இந்தியாவில இருந்து இந்தியன் RI பிரசிடென்ட். அவர் லுக் பியாண்ட் யுவர் செல்ஃப்னு சொல்றார். அதுக்கு அடுத்து இங்க உட்கார்ந்து இருக்கிற the hero of today's function, RI president Kalyan Banerjee, when he was president in 2011-12, he asked us to reach within to embrace humanity. இந்த மூணுலயும் ஒரு சிமிலாரிட்டி இருக்கும். இதுல சர்ஃபேஸ்லயே இருக்காது. இட் will touch your heart, all these themes, because these RI presidents இவங்கெல்லாம் இந்தியாவில இருந்து போனதால இந்தியன் கல்ச்சர், இந்தியன் இன்ஃப்ளூயன்ஸ், மகாத்மா காந்தியோட இன்ஃப்ளூயன்ஸ், நம்முடைய சுவாமி விவேகானந்தோட இன்ஃப்ளூயன்ஸ் இருக்கும். அந்த இன்ஃப்ளூயன்ஸ்ல தான் பண்ணுவாங்க. There was one of the celebrity, அதாவது one of the top philosophers of this world, like our திருவள்ளுவர். There was a philosopher in China, Confucius. ஒரு அழகா சொன்னாரு, there is no point cursing the darkness. உலகத்தில் குறை சொல்றதுக்கு நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்க. நீங்க யார்கிட்ட வேணாலும் கேளுங்களேன், 100 குறை சொல்லலாம். ஆனால் ஒரு ஆள்கிட்ட இருக்கிற நல்லது சொல்றதுக்கு இல்ல. So please stop cursing the darkness, start lighting a candle அப்படின்னு அவர் கன்ஃபூஷியஸ் சொன்னார். RI president elect Gary Huang is a Chinese. Beauty of Rotary, you get people நம்ம வள்ளுவர் 2400 வருடங்களுக்கு முன்னால இருந்தார். கன்ஃபூஷியஸ் lived 2500 years back. அவர் சொன்னார், சிம்பிளா சொன்னார், குறை சொல்றதே இதை விட்டுருங்க, என்ன முடியுமோ அதை செய்யுங்க. Don't curse the darkness, start lighting a candle. சின்ன விஷயம் தான், small matter. Start lighting a candle, and that influenced RI president Gary Huang, and he has given us a beautiful theme, light up Rotary. Anything you can have. அதுல அது டெப்த் எவ்வளவு இருக்குன்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா, எப்படி வேணாலும் நீங்க அதை வளைச்சிக்கலாம். நம்ம வீட்டில் நம்ம குழந்தைகளெல்லாம் அந்த பீச்சுக்கு கூட்டு போனோம்னா, பீச்சில் அந்த மணலை வச்சுக்கிட்டு குழந்தைகள் ஒரு சிற்பம் பண்ணும், ஒரு பிள்ளையார பண்ணும், உடனே அதை உடைச்சிட்டு திரும்ப இன்னொரு சிற்பத்தை பண்ணும். அது மாதிரி உங்க கைக்குள்ள அடங்குற தீம் எப்படி வேணாலும் நீங்க நல்ல விஷயத்துக்கு அதை யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். அப்படி ஒரு அருமையான தீம் லைட் அப் ரோட்டரி அப்படிங்கிறது. I just want to take you to a small Rotary family story. There is a place in Pakistan called Swat. Swatங்கிறது that's between the world's most beautiful place, Kashmir Valley க்கும் நம்ம கைபர் கணவாய், கைபர் பாஸ்னு சொல்லுவாங்க நம்ம ஹிஸ்டரியில்